Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best V20 blower is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining a pristine yard, effortlessly clearing leaves, debris, and even light snow from your driveway, patio, and walkways, transforming tedious cleanup into a quick and satisfying task that leaves your outdoor spaces looking immaculate without the hassle of raking. Number 5. MZK Cordless Leaf Blower. Meet your new essential tool for effortless outdoor maintenance. This powerful device is designed to simplify your lawn care and cleaning tasks. Experience true mobility with its wireless design. You can move and operate freely without being tied down by a power cable. With no wires to worry about, it allows you to tackle any cleaning task without restrictions. From your home to your yard, this blower handles it all. Powered by a robust 20V battery, it delivers consistent and strong performance. This ensures efficient blowing for leaves, dust, and debris. It's perfect for blowing leaves, keeping your patio spotless, and clearing away dust. This lightweight electric blower makes outdoor chores a breeze. Get started right away with two 4Ah batteries and a charger included. You'll have everything you need for extended cleaning sessions. Not only is it powerful, but it also comes in a sleek wine red finish. This adds a touch of style to your gardening tools. What we like. This blower offers complete freedom of movement without being tied to an outlet. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle for extended periods. If you are looking for a ready-to-use solution right out of the box with no extra purchases, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No positive points could be extracted as the source JSON is empty. No positive points could be extracted as the source JSON is empty. Number 4. CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Leaf Blower CMCBL0100B. Experience powerful performance with this tool. Its motor delivers up to 125 miles per hour, making quick work of clearing leaves and debris from your yard. Gain complete command over your cleaning tasks. It features a convenient 3-speed selector switch, allowing you to adjust the power as needed. Designed with your comfort in mind, this blower includes a lock-on trigger. Its compact design also helps reduce fatigue during prolonged operation. Expand its utility with ease. It comes with 3 different attachments, providing versatility for a wide range of applications. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. This product is backed by a 3-year limited warranty, ensuring its quality and durability. Please note that this is a bare tool. The battery and charger are sold separately, allowing you to use your existing V20 power source. What we like. This model boasts a powerful motor, reaching up to 125 miles per hour, making quick work of debris. It also features a 3-speed selector for added control over your cleaning tasks. If you already own CRAFTSMAN V20 batteries and need a versatile blower with precise speed control, this bare tool is a smart addition to your collection. What people say. Number 3. CRAFTSMAN 20V Max Trimmer and Blower Combo Kit CMCK197M1. This weed whacker boasts a 13-inch cutting swath, ensuring efficient trimming for your yard. Its brushed motor provides reliable power to get the job done quickly. Designed for ease, its telescoping pole allows you to effortlessly switch from trimming to edging. This feature makes achieving clean, crisp edges simple and convenient. Forget about bumping to advance the line. It automatically feeds 0.065-inch line, ensuring continuous cutting without interruption. This makes your trimming experience smoother and more efficient. The included leaf blower delivers powerful performance, moving air at up to 340 CFM and 90 miles per hour. It makes quick work of clearing leaves and debris from your yard. This blower features dual speed control, allowing you to choose between more power for tough jobs or extended runtime for lighter tasks. You can customize its performance to suit your needs. What we like. This combo kit provides 2 essential tools for comprehensive yard care. The trimmer features an automatic line advance, simplifying your trimming tasks. If you are starting your yard tool collection and need both a trimmer and a blower with included battery and charger, this kit offers great value and convenience. What people say. No relevant positive review found in the provided source. No relevant positive review found in the provided source. Number 2. CRAFTSMAN V20 Trimmer and Blower Combo Kit. This trimmer features a convenient 2-speed setting. You can easily choose between maximizing power for tough jobs or extending its runtime for longer tasks. Its innovative design allows for seamless transitions. You can effortlessly switch between precise edging and efficient trimming, making yard work simpler. Forget the hassle of manual line adjustments. This trimmer automatically feeds its 0.065-inch line, ensuring continuous work without any bumping. The blower is equipped with a brushless motor and an axial fan design. This combination delivers maximum efficiency, providing impressive power at 350 CFM and 100 miles per hour. Its variable speed trigger gives you complete control. You can easily adjust the power to suit your needs, whether you require maximum force or extended battery life. What we like. This kit stands out with its brushless motor and axial fan design in the blower, delivering maximum efficiency and power. The trimmer also offers a 2-speed setting for extended runtime or more power. If you are looking for a high-performance combo kit with advanced motor technology for both trimming and blowing, this option provides superior efficiency and durability. What people say. Number 1. CRAFTSMAN V20 RP Cordless Leaf Blower CMCBL 730P1. Experience significantly longer operation with this tool, offering up to 66% more runtime. Its advanced brushless motor delivers powerful performance, ensuring your tasks are completed efficiently. Equipped with a robust brushless motor, it provides up to 24 minutes of continuous runtime. This design also generates 37% more force, making quick work of tough debris. Enjoy a quieter experience with up to 50% less noise compared to gas models. This allows you to tackle your yard work from dusk till dawn without disturbing your neighbors. Its lightweight design makes it up to 39% lighter than comparable gas blowers. This ensures comfortable use and excellent maneuverability, reducing fatigue during extended tasks. When faced with stubborn debris, simply activate the boost button. This feature provides up to 410 CFM and 110 miles per hour, giving you the extra power needed to clear tough messes. Featuring WeatherGuard technology, this tool is designed to resist moisture and dust. This protection helps ensure its durability and reliable performance in various outdoor conditions. For convenient storage, it is Versatrack compatible. You can easily hang it on the Versatrack wall organization system using its integrated hook, keeping your workspace tidy. What we like. This blower features a powerful brushless motor and a convenient boost button for tackling stubborn debris. It also offers significantly longer runtime and reduced noise compared to gas models. If you prioritize maximum power, extended battery life, and a quieter operation for larger tasks, this premium blower with its 5.0 Ah battery is the ideal choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the input was empty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.